Hey, welcome back to Q's Hairdos and Lou's. Today we have 3 cute back to school hairstyles. We're going to show you. Most of these take 5 to 10 minutes. So this first one, you're going to start in the crown section. You're going to take about 3 to 4 inches just at the crown and going back 4 to 5 inches as well. You're going to clip that hair out of the way on either side, and then you're going to take about a 1 inch section parallel to the face. Split this into 3, and we're going to be starting a French braid. A French braid is when you cross the sides over top of the middle strand. And then you're going to add a 1 inch section to one side and add a 1 inch section to the other side, and continue to cross those sides over top of the middle. Now, if you're needing some braiding help, I actually have a braiding ebook, also a braiding mini course on how to braid French braids, Dutch braids, and rope braids. If you would like access to that, go ahead and check the description below this video for a link. All right, so you're going to continue that French braid just in this crown section, continuing towards the back of the head. Alright, so now we're going to just braid the hair 3-strand braid a few times before I add the elastic in. And so I'm going to add the elastic just at the base of that braid there, and I'm going to wrap it around a few times until it is tight. This will be the last time that I wrap it. Now we're going to do our signature messy bun, split the hair of the pony into 2, wrap around the front and wrap around the back, kind of forming 2 mini buns, and then you pull the elastic over top of those 2 buns. And then you're going to take the ends of the hair and kind of pull them back through the elastic, kind of curling them around to make extra little buns. I will also link my full tutorial of how I do my messy buns in the description below this video in case you need a little bit of a slower tutorial here. You're just going to repeat that step, twisting the hair around the elastic. And then we're going to add this cute scrunchie. I'm just going to wrap it twice to keep it tight. And we're going to call this hairstyle done. Super cute for back to school. For our second style, we're going to do a Dutch braid into a messy bun. We're going to start at the part line, and we're going to take a diagonal section, split it into 3, and then for a Dutch braid, those side sections cross underneath the middle. Again, if you need a braiding tutorial, I have an ebook that I will link in the description below this video. So then you're going to continue adding hair into the side pieces and cross those underneath the middle, and continue that process until we reach about parallel with the ear. And I'm going to leave a little bit of hair out at the front. Lucy likes to frame her face a little bit, and we're going to curl those sections at the end. So now I'm going to 3-strand braid until the ends of the hair, and then we're going to pancake. Now we're going to just gently tug at the ends of each stitch, the sides of each stitch, to make it look a little bit more full. And you just do this until your desired look. Now we're going to do the ponytail that is turning into a messy bun on the side behind that left ear. So adding in the braid, and so I'm going to secure that elastic around a few times, and then I'm going to leave it on like I did in the previous tutorial. Split that ponytail into 2, and then you're going to curl that top section up and hold it with your fingers. Curl that bottom section down, hold it with your fingers or your thumb, and then pull that elastic over top of those two little buttons that you created. Pull the ends so that it's not so loose, and then curl the ends around and poke them back through. Depending on how long the hair is, you'll have to do this once or a couple of times. And then we're going to repeat that on the bottom until all of the hair is wrapped around that elastic. Now when you go to take this bun out, simply pull on the hair that you curled around the elastic, gently pull that out, and then take the elastic off. All right, now we're going to just curl those pieces to frame the face. Always be sure to use a heat protectant. I will link my favorites in the description below this video. We hope that you love this style. Super cute. For our third tutorial, we are doing a cute braided headband. So I'm going to take about an inch and a half section from the crown on either side of the part, and I'm going to clip that out of the way. Now I'm going to be taking the hair from the ear up to that part line. And I'm going to be braiding this, just a simple 3-strand braid, all the way to the end. Secure that with an elastic, and then I'm going to be pancaking the braid from the bottom to the top. And I didn't show how to do that in this particular tutorial, so just go to the last one if you'd like to see how to do that. Repeat on the opposite side, and then you're going to be crossing the left braid to the right and the right braid to the left, and then we're going to bobby pin those into place. So I'm going to be taking 2 bobby pins on either side and kind of crisscrossing them so that they will stay. Then you'll unclip the hair from above, and that kind of covers up the bobby pins, and it makes it into a cute headband. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know which of these 3 tutorials were your favorite in the comments below, and you can find us over on Instagram where we post more tutorials during the week.